पळोवया खबरो विस्तारान. ब्रेस्तारा गोंय विधानसभेच्या अर्थसंकल्पीय समितीची बसका जाली. तातूंत अर्थसंकल्पाचें वाटप आनी फाटले फावट वेगवेगळ्या विभागांक दिल्ल्या आर्थीक निवेदनाच्या वापराचो रिपोर्ट मागला. फाटल्या अर्थसंकल्पांतल्या आर्थीक परिस्थितीचो आढावो घेवपाक आमदार विजय सरदेसायाच्या अध्यक्षतेखाला विधानसभा संकुलांत ही बसका जाली. RDX गोवा खातीर परवरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
The meeting of this budget committee. आता ही budget committee म्हटल्यार कितें? It's a post-budget review. This is the allocation done, where it has been spent, the utilization is happening or not. Today we have come to know that never in the history in Goa Legislative Assembly was ever a budget committee meeting ever held. So we have started a trend, any which case, because we have been elected by the House. Government officers who are there, who came, basically gave us the risk that they are tied up with 15th Finance Commission and therefore they don't have the information. I asked them simple things, that what is the allocation to all departments, what is the utilization of all departments, whether there is any sanction which is pending, which is already approved in the budget, because finance sends files back saying there is no funds. If the fund was earmarked for that particular purpose, where is the question of rejecting it by finance department? So अश्यो खंयच्यो केसीस आहा त्यो आमकां सांग. आनी रिअप्रोप्रिएशन जाला काय म्हणून. रिअप्रोप्रिएशन म्हळ्यार कितें? हे डिपार्टमेंटाक पयशे दिल्ले ताजे थंय म्हणूंकूच ना, ते कारण थंय म्हणले. अशे कितले केसी जाल्या. दे डोंट हॅव दीस इन्फॉर्मेशन. वी हॅव सेड वी एक्सपेक्ट द बजेट, द न्यू बजेट टू बी प्रेजेंटेड ऑन Thursday. So on Wednesday, which is the 5th, we said we want to have another meeting where we want all this information. Then we have asked whether staff salaries are being paid through loans taken by the government. Loan घेता स्टाफ सॅलरी फारीक करून. सरकारान नवे रिक्रुटमेंट डिक्लेअर केल्ले आहा, 5,000 जॉब दितले म्हणून. वेदर अ बजेटरी प्रोविजन इज डन फॉर दीस रिक्रुटमेंट, बिकॉज इट्स इम्पॉर्टंट. 7th पे तांकां लागता. मागीर स्किम्स ज्यो लाडली लक्ष्मी, गृह आधार आहा, ताका कितलें प्रोविजन केलां आनी वेदर पेंडन्सी आसा आनी डेफिसीट आहा काय म्हणून. मागीर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट्स big ticket projects which were declared in the last budget in North Goa and South Goa. Give us a list. The function of the budget committee is to make a post-budget review. Pre-budget review is allowed only for ruling benches. I don't know what the budget is going to be.
So budget
But,
will be tabled on
I heard
6th.
that the legislature party, BJP legislature party discussed the budget yesterday, including changing rules and the budget with the new PDA, the ODPs. That budget is separate also.
So it is presented on 6th.
Budget manual will be presented.
Normally बिरेस्तारा बजेट जाता 3, 4, 5, 6 म्हणून 5 तारखेक आमी मिटींग जाय. सरकार तयारी आसपाक जाय. आयच्या दिसा सांगूं येता की 15th फायनान्स कमिशन इज अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट बॉडी विच इज कमिंग टू गोवा. वी शूड ऑल बी टुगेदर टू आस्क फॉर मोर फंड्स and see that Goa gets its due share.